Okay, try again. 2012 Tundra. This is the TopDon TopScan. And we'll see if we can find the VCI. I'll try diagnostic. And then I've got a green light for VCI. It's loading something. I'll do recent. And Toyota's installed. And now we'll select automatically because I don't feel like typing in the VIN. And down here at the bottom, VIN reading. Okay. You see, this is a real early version of the app. Okay, let's try diagnostic. And we shouldn't have anything, but we'll try auto scan. Okay, it looks like we have an airbag fault, or two. Okay, let's go to the airbag fault and see what it says. Trouble codes. Front airbag sensor. Left hand. So we have some kind of an error here. Let's try clearing it. Looks like I may have an airbag sensor left hand that's missing or defective. Say okay. Yes. Doesn't look like it wants to clear that. So let's go back and see what else we can do. Try live data. Okay, nobody's buckled in. Okay, if we wanted to, we could check and see if the seat belts are buckled. Let's do that. Driver's buckle. I'll plug it in, see if it sets it. Okay, driver's buckle is set, so that works. Try once more to see if it'll erase code. Success, okay. Maybe I pressed the wrong button the last time. Okay, it's still showing the fault. Let's go back. An active test, 2010 Tundra. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, all data on. Okay, I can hear the fuel pump. Off. On. Off. Cool. I can hear the solenoid clicking. Shutter off, on, off. I can't hear this one, but it's probably under the car where I can't hear it. Okay, the back of the truck. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'll turn it on. I don't hear anything. When I turn it off, there's a slight click. So that works. Okay, this is Tundra 2012 again. We're looking at the grass with this short fuel trim. And see if we can mess with it. See if that will even out now. I sprayed some brake cleaner in the intake, and hopefully you saw it respond.